Welcome to Hero Electric, one of India's leading electric bike manufacturer. By choosing Hero Electric, you have taken an initiative to protect the environment. This electric bike will also save you money. The mechanism and control of an electric bike is quite different from that of petrol engine bike. For you to ride an electric bike conveniently, it is very important for you to know something. Let's know about the mechanism and control of the bike. This is the next model of Hero Electric, which has many more variants like single battery and double battery. This is a city speed bike. The average speed of bikes in most cities is less than 40 km per hour. The time in which you will cover the distance with a petrol bike by spending more money. In the same time, you can cover the same distance with an electric bike by spending less money. This is a double battery bike. The first battery is inside it, and this is the second battery. You cannot remove the first battery, while you can easily remove this second battery. This switch is for shifting from battery 1 to battery 2. If this switch is off, then your vehicle will run on battery number 1. And if the switch is on, the bike will run on battery number 2. Note, if you want to ride double battery bike with single battery, then put battery in battery 1 connector and keep the battery shifting switch off. This is very important, otherwise the bike will not work. This ignition lock is a combi system. Through this, the bike is turned on, off and locked. If you want to lock the bike, then press the key inwards and turn the key anti-clockwise. And when you want to unlock the bike, turn the key inwards and rotate clockwise. When you want to turn the bike on, turn it clockwise without pressing. And when you want to turn it off, turn it anti-clockwise without pressing. This is the cluster, which you also call speedometer in common language. How much charge is the battery, speed of the bike, trip distance, and how many kilometers the bike has run in total. It tells all of this. This is the indicator switch. This is the headlight switch. This is the upper dipper switch. This is the mobile charging connector. You can charge the mobile by turning on the bike. Both of these brake levers act as power cutoff along with braking to the wheels. If you keep both or any one of them pressed, the electric supply to the motor will stop and the motor will not run. This is why when driving the bike, do not press any of these two. This is a charging connector. If it is a single battery bike, then it will be 1. And if it is a double battery bike, then it will be 2. See, this is a single battery bike with only one connector inside it. And this is a double battery bike. It has 2 connectors inside. And it is written battery 1 and battery 2. This seat is locked. With turning clockwise with the key in this way, the front seat is opened. This is MCB. If there is any kind of electrical fault in the bike, then it turns off. You can lift the rear seat in this way. Now to lower this seat, first lift the seat up and then down. Important information about riding a Hero electric bike. Let us tell you how to ride this electric bike. Wear a helmet before riding it, as it is very important for your safety. Park the electric bike on the main stand and then turn the keys clockwise. Check the battery charging status by turning the vehicle on and off. After this, take off the main stand and ensure the air pressure in the wheels and brake function. Then press the brake with one hand and with the other hand, turn on the bike with the key. Release the brake and slowly rotate the throttle, which is the accelerator. In this way, you can enjoy the ride and you can ride this electric bike smoothly. Do's and don'ts for battery. Let us tell you the things by which battery and bike will support us for a long time and will perform well. Protect the battery from getting wet with water or liquids, and always keep away from fire and flammable materials. Do not put the battery in direct sunlight and in a hot place. Do not knock, throw or load the battery and lift the battery carefully. Avoid charging the battery immediately after a long journey. Use only the charger provided by Hero Electric and charge the bike only with the charger that came with it. Whether you use the battery or not, charge the battery once in 15 days. Whenever the bike is not to be driven for more than 4 days, then turn the MCB off and detach the battery connector. When charging the battery outside the bike, keep the battery in a ventilated area. Battery should be kept as cool as possible for good performance. Do not remove the sticker on the battery. Do's and don'ts for vehicle. Always make sure the battery is charged before driving. When washing the bike, remove the battery and do not let the electronic parts get wet. Clean the bike regularly and wash it with lukewarm water. Do not give more load than the recommended load on the bike. This is a city speed bike, so always drive in the safe lane on the highway. Do's and don'ts for charger. Gently remove and attach the charger wire from the socket as instructed. Make sure that the charger socket is not loose on both sides. If the output socket is loose, then you will see only green light in the charger. Every charger has an auto cut-off system, but still it is better to take the charger out of the plug after 5 hours. Keep the bike switch off while charging. Now let us know how to charge the battery of your e-bike. The battery can be charged in 2 ways. The first way by being engaged in the bike. Second, by taking it out of the bike. If you want to charge the battery while it is in the bike, then first of all make sure that the AC switch is turned off. Then plug the input plug of the charger into the AC socket. After this, plug the output connector into the charging connector on the bike. When installing the connector, pay close attention to the direction of the connector. Now turn on the AC switch, the charging will start. See that the LED is on. It means the charger is turned on. If the LED is blinking in red color, it means the charger is charging the battery. If it is flashing in green color with red, then it means the battery is fully charged. If only green light is flashing, it means the output connector is not installed correctly. Similarly, if you want to charge the battery by taking it out, then first of all open the seat and take out the battery in this way. This is the charging connector for the battery. Now charge this connector by putting the output connector of the charger in the same way as the battery in the bike was charged. When the battery is fully charged, first of all turn off the AC supply switch, then remove the charger's input plug from the AC socket and then remove the charger's output connector from the battery. In this way, the battery can be charged by plugging it into the bike and taking it out. Let us tell you what to do if suddenly the bike stops running. First of all, look at the display, whether the display is coming or not. If the display is not coming, then check the MCB. If it is off, then turn it on. And if it is on, then check the battery connector. If loose, then put it properly. If the display is coming on, then check the battery charging status, whether the battery is charged or not. If the battery is not charged, then charge the battery. If the battery is charged, make sure that the headlight is switched off. After that, look for the brake light. If not, then bring the brake lever into the original position. If yes, then please connect with authorized service center.